Here's a really quick little interactive binder page we're going to put together. You're going to need to look at page 20 in your interactive binder. Okay, and you're going to find the purple paper that says fractions, decimals, and percents. You're going to go ahead and cut out around the outside of the square. After you have it cut out, it should look like this, so go ahead and pause as you need to. Then after you have it cut out, you are going to flip it over and you are going to fold in on all 4 of the lines, just like that. Once my paper is folded, and again, pause as you need to, I'm going to flip it over to the other side. I'm going to attempt to get my glue stick cap off here. Sorry about that. Like a minor earthquake happened. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put some glue all over the back of this. And after I've done that, I'm going to glue it here on my paper so that fractions, decimals, and percents is here at the top. I'm then going to cut and cut and cut on the 3 dotted lines. Alright, so you should have that glued down, your flap should be cut. The final direction is to write down all of these notes. So what I want you to do is I actually want you to pause the video and you can write all of this down. So fraction or percents, fractions, and decimals, which could be read aloud and written as fractions, can be written as ratios and proportions to compare and solve percent of problems. So remember how we talked about part to whole? That's the same thing as is over of. You can see I have some multiplication problems that equal 100, and I wrote down a math alphabet for you. You should pause and write all of these notes down at the bottom of your page. When you're finished, you can be done and put that page away.